You will never get a good grade in GCSE Maths if you keep getting stuck on past paper questions involving upper and lower bounds. Let's look at this question. Ebony makes bracelets to sell. The material costs £190, correct to the nearest £5. She sells all the bracelets at a total price of £875, correct to the nearest £5. The total time taken is 72 hours, correct to the nearest hour. Hourly pay equals total selling price minus total cost of materials divided by total time taken. The minimum hourly rate for someone of Ebony's age is £8.20. We need to determine whether Ebony's hourly pay is definitely more than £8.20. The important thing that you need to remember is that we need to find the lower bound of her hourly pay. If the lower bound is greater than £8.20, then we can be certain. First, we find the bounds of each quantity. For the cost of materials, £190, correct to the nearest £5. The lower bound is 187.5 and the upper bound is 192.5. For the selling price, 875, correct to the nearest £5. The lower bound is 872.5 and the upper bound is 877.5. For the time taken, 72 hours, correct to the nearest hour. The lower bound is 71.5 and the upper bound is 72.5. But before that, please don't forget to follow our channel. We'll keep on bringing more educational videos and updates. Now we calculate the lower bound of hourly pay. The formula is a fraction. The numerator is selling price minus cost of materials. To find the lower bound of the numerator, we take the lower bound of selling price minus the upper bound of cost. That gives us 872.5 minus 192.5, which equals 680. For the denominator, we take the upper bound of time, which is 72.5. So the lower bound of hourly pay is 680 divided by 72.5, which equals approximately £9.38. Since the lower bound is £9.38, this is definitely more than £8.20. Therefore, Ebony's hourly pay is definitely greater than £8.20. If you think you understand this topic, try solving the question shown on the screen. Once you have your answer, write it in the comments section below. Thank you.